So today we have Sai Kumar with us. Right now, I think he's working for some organization. Yeah, he's like how many years of experience, Sai?
1 year from past 1 year. I have experience. 1 year
One
experience I
year.
have.
One
Yes.
experience. That's what. Okay. Now, guys, use this platform in order to improve on your communication and presentation skills as well. Okay. So when you're talking to camera, when you're talking to people, how you throw your voice, how confidently, how your voice power would be there. So that would be actually showing a big deal. So one thing is to have knowledge. The other thing is to communicate it properly so that others also get it up nicely. Okay. Fine. So that's where I would expect Sai Kumar today entire session you be very strong in your voice, be very direct, be as close and dominating over the mic so that it would give a strong personality for you. Okay, fine. So we have Sai Kumar with us. He's having like he's working in the IT industry since past 1 year or so. So it would be a nice learning experience from him based on. Dekho guys, everybody's life is different. The challenges which people face is different. For some, the life might be simple right now. For some, there might be ups and downs, but the thing is everybody has their own journey of life, and point is you cannot tally up saying okay for others it has been so easy and luck my life is tough. There's nothing like that, guys. Everybody has their own challenges in their own ways. You don't know what people are suffering through, and like yesterday Sneha said, always use proper words with people because you don't know what people are going through. It's really important. Okay, so now let's understand what Sai Kumar is, how has he faced what were his life circumstances, and are there some learnings which we can also apply in our lives and take the benefit of it, and that's what we are growing as a community. Okay, Sai, so over to you, man. Yeah, let's get started.
Okay, this is Sai Kumar. I'm working as in IT industry from past 1 year as a Java developer. I'm
Mm-hmm.
going to I'm going to tell my life journey in this short manner. Okay, let's start there. After completion of my studies, I decide what I want to become in the life. Then I want to enter into a software industry as a Java developer. I decide that one. Then I entered into coaching centers. I joined. Smoothly it is going on. It completed few months. Exactly they are giving guidance and I'm following that, doing homework. I thought that is enough for to get the industry. So completed all my that some of the courses. Then I started attending interviews. I uploaded resume in the Naukari and attended some of the interviews. But within span of 1 or 2 rounds, I got not selected in the most of the interviews. So I'm feeling now I understood what I'm learning in the up to now, that is only 20% what are the industry expecting. Then I still am, but no one is there to tell how to prepare and how to what are the required. I don't know what they are giving some homework. I did I I felt like that okay, my work is completed, so I'm ready to attend interviews. I'm ready to select. I have a confidence to I will select. So, but attend in the starting in the starting I attend most of the interviews. In the most of the interviews, I got the same situation. So I felt very sad. I mean, have a still my coaching is going on. So I asked to my teachers, is this happening? Means that they told that in the one
Your
month.
network is blipping. Your network is blipping, Sai Kumar. We are not able. It's breaks in between. Okay, can you try again? Yeah, speak through again. Okay, so you were speaking about yeah, you were trying, and then yeah, there were initially things not working out. Yes, can you continue, please? Yes,
Okay, now audible.
yes, it's better.
Okay, then one day I'm continuing my coaching and started interviews. I was selected. I was not selected in the every interview in the starting. So one day what happened? One workshop conducted in the Narish IT by Natras. I attended that workshop. Then in that workshop, it is he brought two people who succeed in their life. So they gave some tips on how they are planned in their career, how they did hard work and how they put efforts. So up to now, what I did, what they are followed some action plans totally different. So I I I analyzed what I did up to now and they did why they became successful. I'm not. So it was my mistake. I just what sorts spoke give assignments. I did only thing, but they analyze more and more. What industry expecting? I don't know up to now. Then I analyzed from that onwards. I started who are succeed in their life. I started interact with those people. If I saw some success story in the FB somewhere, I reached out in that. I reached out to that people and asked, I'm following these are the patterns. Is there any need to change? Can you give some guidance, some tips? So I followed those routine, those kind of stuff. Then I started my plan. I changed my plannings. What are the industry expecting? I started those things. Then I attended interviews. After few months, I'm selected in one medium scale company as a Java developer. After 1 month,
Okay, just pause. Okay, just wait, Sai. Okay, so just a learning for everybody out here. Okay, so Sai Kumar was making his way through the learning process. Okay, he completed his college, jumped into this kind of a training model, and then he was trying to face the interviews. Okay, and then he was not able to get through that, and then they go, guys. Now it is like you have to realize like there has to be some reason because of that you are not clarifying. Okay, whatever the reason is, you need to find that reason and solve that reason, then only you will be able to cross the next layer. Very important thing. People just get into like, I'm not getting, and then the effect of that comes like, why you are not getting, and all a panic state, like it's been like so much time, I'm trying, I'm doing everything. Guys, point is you're not doing something the way it is supposed to be. Because of that you're not able to cross further. You need to accept this reality of life first, that what you're doing is not good enough, it has a improvement scope. Maybe something you're doing it in a wrong manner, you need to correct it, you need to adjust your plans. Very important. First you accept that, okay, if it is not working out, maybe there is something more to be done, or what you're doing it in is not really in the right manner. That's very important. You have to self realize that first. Once you realize, then you need to ask the question, okay, what exactly I'm doing wrong, and then try to define your own ways by which you would be doing it right. Okay, so this is how it works. Now what Sai Kumar has applied it, so lucky enough, देखो guys, how these things will connect, it's all up to individual situations. So he was like, he's sitting in one of a class, some two people joined in there who were explaining their success story. But देखो अभी in that group all of the class would be available, but not sure whether everybody interpreted it like Sai Kumar. Yes, what he's saying is he utilized that moment to do a exploration, like what ways he was following and what ways those people followed to succeed. And then now that means his brain is trying to find the answer. Okay, why am I not able to do it? And what should I do differently by which I'll be able to do that? It's that simple. There is nothing like panic. There is nothing like feeling low about yourself. It's a situation. And if it is not working, how do you make it work? It's that simple. Situation not working, what can you do to make it work? Simple stuff, guys. Okay, so you need to understand this fact, very important. And then he did that analysis. He figured out that those people have done things in a way different manner, and what he was doing was different. That was the reason he was not qualifying earlier. So now he changed the way. He started following more of successful people to see how those people have done, and accordingly he aligned his work towards that, his planning towards that, and then he got the job. Simple stuff, guys. So that's what in life, if the things are not working out, rather than blaming on outside situation, ask the questions to yourself, are you doing something not in the right way? Maybe you might not know it, or you might have not explored it more, or somebody might not, any reason, but are you missing something? Ask that question and then try to identify what that something is, and then try to fill it up. And that would come more by evaluation, thought process, and analysis only. Okay, so very great learning, Sai Kumar, right there. And he applied it. Okay, so Sai Kumar, very good stuff. You did that evaluation analysis, and then only it was moving through nicely. Okay, now what's the second stage of your life? You got the job, then what?
before that, I want to tell in that session, one person told one dialogue. One means In the same class, 200, 300, 400 people join, but in that only 30, 40 people get a chance to job initial stage. Why? Same person teaching to all the people, by why only those people are getting, remaining not? Think about it. They ask this question because every teacher in the center, they don't have a chance to explain 100% knowledge. You have to utilize your skills and your time, your effort. You have to increase more and more, then only you have a chance to get a job. So always the dialogue, think about me, I'm always remembering that dialogue. I started more and more, I put my efforts. That the dialogue helpful me in my journey a lot. Okay, and this is the one
Again,
page.
what take it, take these learnings. The world gives similar opportunities for everyone, but not everybody convert it into result. This is what he's saying. That's big. 200 people available in that class session. The trainer is training everybody the same way, but like there are just 30 people who can succeed in that. Now, what is happening, right? Same platform, same opportunity, same trainings, but results different. It depends on what you convert in life. Very important learning again, Sai Kumar. Yeah, moving on.
Okay.
Understand these things, guys. Then life would not look challenging for you people. You can make your own ways through the life very easily. Yeah, Sai Kumar, moving on.
Okay. After that, I selected in one company. I joined, but after few days, they told that I joined as a Java developer, but they told that you have to work as a tester. Then I asked her, you took me as a Java developer. I want to work as a Java developer, but you gave me this role. I cannot, because of I love Java developer. I want become to developer. Then they told that, oh, you don't have a chance to become Java developer. They told that. So I asked again, is there any chance? I want to get Java. Is there any chance or not? They told that we don't have a chance to give that developer. Then I resigned that next day in that company.
Mm-hmm.
And I in this initially days I fixed I want to enter into software industry as a Java developer. I decided that goal and I entered into that coaching center. Okay, then again
You're
I have
stuck.
a confidence, I have
Sai,
a knowledge,
wait, you were stuck in between. Yeah, continue. It's back now. It's back now. Continue. So
I have
you
knowledge,
had that. Yes.
I have confidence, I have a time. I mean, I have a time. So I decided. So I gave reason to that job, and again I started interviews. Actually, this is the one side life. My some of the family pressure is another type. Means I convinced you to I convinced you to my parents. Okay, definitely I will get job. I will try for that. But the relatives are compared with me is some of the other people, because my some of the relatives are already working. So they got in the placements, and some other outside they are working as some short support BPO type. Some other already working. I don't know how they people are comparing one with another. I don't know. They comparing with me with another person's, and they try to spread negative about me. My parents are feeling unhappy. So I gave clarification to them. My parents already I got job, but I resigned because of I'm expecting more. I'm expecting something. I have a confidence, I have a knowledge I will get. If only if I up to now I didn't get job, that is it different. Already I got the job, I resigned means I have a knowledge, I have a potential, but I'm trying for something different. So please give some time. Definitely I will achieve in my life. I will be a put your happiness every time. I convinced to my parents. They told me, okay, we will wait. Try your best. Then I started again and again. But now the timings, the interview calls are less. Uh, I feel sad again. So some of my friends are working is again my after resign this job 2 months completed. I didn't get job. So my parents are again feel unhappy. So for that my friends are working in one IT company. There is a Android development. So I choose that. Okay, already time is passing. Okay, I will work. I will try for that job also. So I attended that interview. I was selected in that interview. as a native React Native developer. So I joined 1 week.
React Native UI is not a profit, it's UI side, right? React Native.
Yes,
UI technology.
yes, mobile app development.
Oh,
So I
yes.
because of this, some of the pressures means relate to some of the spreading negative. Because of that, again I want to get job initially. That is it. Anything differently. The people think if I did something Excel sheet work also, they will be happy. They are try to spread negative. So I got the job as a React Native developer. I joined 1 week completed, but I'm unsatisfied because of my mind always try to repeat my goal. I want to I want to enter into a Java developer. So again my mind is disturbing. So after 1 week, I asked to myself, after few years, I uh, I will get money, I will get good position. But if I look back, why I am here, I want to enter into some other position, but because of some other people pressure, I will be in this track. So I will be definitely I will feel regret in this life. It won't be it never will be. I cannot change, right? So I decide I want to continue or I want to quit the job. I think then next day I resign that job also because of I'm always thinking about self-satisfaction. I don't want to. If I after few years I look back, I don't want to any regret in my life. So I decided and I resigned that job. And again life got common. Again the interviews.
So
Uh,
again, a big learning. Okay, guys, everybody. So again, from Sai Kumar, these are some big great learnings. Okay, like first interviewed as a Java, got the job, but they placed him into a QA role, a tester role. Okay, which was not satisfying him. He just asked for the possibility of being converted into Java, and he had the vision clear what he wants to do in life. And somewhere he had that courage and strength. Ki, okay, let me decide. And no, I don't want to do it. Immediate next day, he resigned, moved out of the company. Okay. Now let me tell you, many people in life is not able to make this decision. Okay. Let me tell you, that's the truth. Because of XYZ circumstances, because they want money or whatever reason, but people don't move and they tie themselves basically. So he was very clear in the thought process what he wants to do in life, and because of that reason he was able to take that strong decision. No, I don't want to have a QA life, I'm resigning straight away. Tough decision. Okay, but he took that. Now whatever his circumstances might be different, guys, it might be different for other people, I'm not comparing it, but a very tough decision to make, and I don't want to do that, so that's where I'm not doing it. Simple. Okay, now once the decision is taken, the other thing, the second very tough phase which he passed through was his family time. Okay, the relatives and all starting to do comparison, others are getting job and they don't care basically what Sai Kumar is working. Okay, they just want like, okay, it's a working time, we need money in the end, that's it. Maybe relatives or maybe parents, they might not be really knowing okay, what exactly is running through the battle in Sai Kumar's mind. Why is he so much keen for Java? For them everything is just the same, go make money. Okay, but he's having a huge thought process internally battling, and like now it gets tough when the family is having expectations and when they start feeling worried about your thing, okay, bhai, when this guy is going to get, will he get or not, how would he face the society, and now a lot of drama starts coming up, guys, and this happens, everybody passes through this phase. And because of that reason, under again situation, he went and took a mobile app development related stuff in React JS. Okay, React Native basically. So again, tough decision, but he did that. Okay, chalo, let me get the job at least so that I can show, okay, fine, I got it. But now again, what happened? Internally, that is still pricking. And this is a big thought process which Sai Kumar went through. Many people in life would have not done it now. Again, I'm telling you, this is a big thing again. He has already seen, like, once he quit from the QA role, moved back to the home, relatives, the society was pointing fingers at him, the family was feeling unhappy and worried about it. And now what happens is that he got another job after 2 months. Now again taking the decision like, okay, money, everything is coming, but I cannot do it because I don't like it. my future, even though I become anything, I will not be liking this kind of a life. Doing this thought process for the second time after knowing the results, what happens if you do it once? Now that's one big of a tough choice, guys. And he said he decided and he immediately resigned again. That means that was a huge brainstormed thing which he committed to himself. Yes, I can get a job, confidence. I can get a job. Maybe right now things are not working my way, but I am enabled with the trainings, with everything. I have that thing. Somehow the things are not working. I'll face the same challenges again, be it my family, be it relatives, be it society, but let me quit again. Because he doesn't want regret in life. 5 years down the line, when you have money, 5 years down the line, when there would be all this thing, but 5 years down the line, when you are not happy inside your heart, he doesn't want that, guys. And that's where he's ready to take risk again in life, regardless of what society says, what parents say, because he knows that he will not be living a happy life. And that is really massive stuff. Okay, now yes, Sai Kumar, it's loading. Sai Kumar, it's loading. We need to listen to your next story. It's all happening in phases. Kya internet gone, Sai Kumar? Hello?
Hello.
Hello, Sai. Yes,
Hello.
yes, you're back. Okay. Yes, continue. Now what happened? Second time you moved out. Then what?
Then after that again I started hunting. After few minutes again, actually initially I told one dialogue in the class to 200 300 people there, why are you not getting job? In the initial stage only I attended that workshop. I reminding that one. I started practicing more, so I'm technically strong from the starting onwards. So again I attended the interview in one MNC product based, and I was selected. So I got the job. Now I'm working as a Java developer in that company. So I'm working with full of satisfaction now.
क्या बात है? Good stuff. So finally, a happy ending. He finally got a job and in a MNC, and he's getting to work in Java. And देखो, guys, things happen, but it was life testing him. Gave a QA role first, gave a app development role first, and testing how Sai Kumar will be making way through that. Big stuff, right? And had been he just stuck with those opportunities, then he would not be firstly happy in life. Second thing, over a period of time, he would be like, what have I done with my life? This is not really where I wanted to be, and life is not so good, and blah 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 situations. And once you are not happy in your core, every life situation will start looking like a problem to you. And you need to understand that, okay? But once you are satisfied inside, once you are happy inside, no matter what life will throw to you, you will be able to deal with it. Now, because now, fine, I'm a Java developer. Now bring me more challenges. I think that's would be the next target for Sai Kumar. Throw me more challenges and will make way through it, right? And okay, Sai Kumar, what next? So finally, you got the job. You're working in IT now. You're working on the Java, the domain which you like. So how is your life right now? What's happening?
Now my life going with full of happiness. And one more thing, because in the initial days, what those successful people told, they motivate me a lot. And I'm telling to one tip for all who are working, who are successful people, please interact with to them and take some suggestion. In the initial stage, when I was trying as a fresher, I'm felt a very I'm fear to attending interviews. What my mind process, if I one word in the wrong mistake in the resume, they are not selected, they don't select it in the interviews. My thought process like that. But when I interacted to people, they give more guidance and tips how to learn, how to prepare, so that will be helpful to me a lot. So recently I realized it. So like me, there are more people like that only. So we have to give some guidance and tips. So now in this group also, when I see some post in the FB or somewhere they are trying for something, myself, I interacted with them and giving some tips and some links to them. I started like that. In this group also, I gave some of the tips to some of the people. And please, any guidance, any tips, contact me and I give some useful links. So because of some of the people, I was changing my life. Like that, I want to share to someone. So I gave some tips to some other people.
Yeah, that's good. That's really good. So again, the next vital learning, learn from the people who have already done it because they can guide you. That's where guides it said having the some kind of a right mentorship in life or a coaching in life, that's very much required because your brain would be just having your own thoughts. And the way he said, he was like, okay, maybe wrong words in resume is causing his problem in filtering. We don't know basically what exactly things are going wrong with us, right? So the better you can know it from those people who have already done it, that is really give you great of insights, and then you can plan a lot of corrective actions. Okay, so that was one awesome journey with Sai Kumar, and where he has landed up right now working in the IT industry. Two tough blows, he took that decision, came out, and now how your family is reacting, Sai Kumar? What's your parent state?
And now family is reacting full of happiness, and now I was settled, so they are feeling full happy. My relatives also started appreciation. So my life is going fine.
Yeah, that's good, guys. They go. Eventually, things would all fall in place very rightly. Okay, so family, this, that. It's just matter of time. And how much time actually was it from your first job till you got the second Java related job? How much duration it went through?
3 months.
3 months. That's it. Okay. Look at it, guys. So just within 3 months. But point is, in 3 months, so much of emotion, so much of drama came there. Okay. And but he has to take those tough decisions. Had he not taken it, he might have a different career where first of all he would not be happy, and because of lack of happiness he would start getting frustrated in life, and then it has its own consequences basically. Okay, fine. So good stuff. Yes, Sai Kumar, do you want to share anything else as well?
Yes, yes. And after getting this job, and my life got routine, going to office and coming, going office, that is routine. Up to now, I step by step growing my knowledge up to some level. After getting into industry, my personal growth is up to mediocre. So unless I trying to improve my knowledge, but I thought there is no time going and coming. I don't have any time, I felt. But after attending your sessions, everyone have a magical morning. And now I am realized how much time I wasted after getting this job also. Now I've changed my life. So means I waking up morning, doing meditation, I attending session, I'm seeing my goals, perspectives, and my actions plans. I'm started again day by day. I'm growing up again and again.
Yes,
This will
yes,
never happen.
that's spirit.
From now onwards. This will never happen in my life. Never stop.
Super. Super. Never stop. Never stop. Now, this is amazing, guys. This is what you need to realize, the power of time that you have today with you. And if you're not growing daily basis, that means you are getting behind in life. If you stay the same, that means you are getting behind. You're not staying at the same place, guys. If you reach to this position and you're just here, the time will pass, the situations will improve. But that means if you're static, means you're actually getting behind in life. It's not normal. You have to keep growing with time to be in pace, and if you do your growth in a more speed manner, that means you're growing better manner. Okay, so you need to understand this fact. Now this is great learning again coming from Sai Kumar. Okay, this is some brilliant stuff. And yes, you have something more.
And because of these programs, I started applying these principles in my projects. Also, that 5 seconds rule, that core part first, remaining next. Those stuff I'm trying to implement in my task development. So that will be very helpful for me in the project development also. The core part,
Okay,
especially
okay,
that was the core part first, remaining next. 80%,
okay, okay,
20%.
okay. Okay. So as part of, remember, as part of life transformation sessions, we took a Pareto's principle. Okay, so which was nothing but a 80-20 rule. So 80% of the work will run by itself if you focus on the core piece, and that core piece is just 20% of the work. So we covered that as part of one of the session, and Sai Kumar is saying that he started applying that principle to his daily working life, and he's getting great benefit from that. Okay, okay. So this is some good stuff from Sai Kumar. And it was great talking to you, man. It was really great talking to you. So, two, three major, very tough, courageous decisions which you have taken in your life, okay? And that's what many people might have just stuck there for the sake of money and for the lot of things. Basically, I know it needs courage, and everybody's situation is different. But that's where I would say, like, tally up all these factors, guys. Okay, for all the other people listening in the house, I will suggest that tally up all the factors. Like, will you be satisfied? What is the long term vision of this thing? Should you really do that? From your family perspective, from your perspective, consider all the factors, put it on the table, and then make the decision. I'm not saying whether it's a right decision, wrong decision, but it is important that you get satisfied in life, guys. Even though right now, if you're saying, okay, no, no, money is more important, I need to start working financially and all, fine. If that's your choice, good, go ahead with that. But know it that what's the long run vision. Maybe right now you can take a role of like whatever non-satisfying one, also fine, getting the money, but parallelly planning up long run game, guys, long run game. Okay, parallelly preparing, applying. So it completely depends from your situation. But again, I will say, like, any decision which you want to take in life, consider a lot of factors, put everything on the table, see what works, what doesn't work, and then make a decision. And the satisfaction should be at the core of your decision making. Let me tell you, happiness should be at your core, and other things will all follow that. Okay, so yes, it was good talking to Sai Kumar. Nice learnings, nice sharings, guys. Your life has been one of a thing, but two, three major tough decisions which you had to make, which has brought to you here. And from here onwards, I think good enough that we got connected on this platform where you are upgrading your life to the next level every single day, and that is some real stuff, guys. Okay, thanks, Sai Kumar. Very nice talking to you. Yes, yes, yes. Bye, bye, bye.